I can't tell you how many times in years gone by I've gone to plan for teaching and realised that I just didn't have the knowledge to teach the thing I wanted to well. I didn't know how to explain things to my students, let alone walk them through the process of helping them acquire understanding and skills in that area. From there, what I did was plan simplistic tasks that didn't take me too far out of my comfort zone, even though I knew that that was not great teaching. It's an awful feeling as a teacher, and it's one that I know many people experience when they try and think about spelling at a deeper level. We don't give our students rainbow writing and look, say, cover, right, check because we don't care about them. We do these things because we don't have a viable alternative that helps us get results without overwhelming us and leaving us feeling like a failure. After years of reading and learning how to teach differently, I'm creating the Spelling Success in Action series to help other teachers teach spelling with confidence. You don't have to have perfect knowledge, and you absolutely do not have to put it all together yourself. What you do need to do is continue to build knowledge. But our students don't have time to wait until we feel like experts before they learn concepts that will help them build strong foundations for spelling. That's where we come in. The Introduction to Spelling Success in Action 1, Getting Started with Morphology and Spelling Conventions, walks you through the key knowledge you need to have. But I know that you are a busy teacher, so I've turned this into a podcast that you are able to access via a QR code on page 3 of the book. I want you to have the confidence to teach spelling well, but I know how scary it can be to think about putting all this together. Each teaching unit comes with teacher background knowledge, scripted explanations of key concepts, and step-by-step lesson plans to help you teach spelling with confidence. We also break word lists down into subcategories so you can teach whole class while differentiating for your students' needs. We have QR codes that take you directly to videos of me explaining and demonstrating how this can look in the classroom. We give you planning templates and provide you with guidance on how you can connect morphology with your phonics instruction in the early years. If you are ready to take a deep breath and embrace the vulnerability that comes with feeling like a novice, so that you can help your students get on top of spelling, not by memorizing, but by really understanding how words work. Order your copy of Spelling Success in Action 1, Getting Started with Morphology and Spelling Conventions from JocelynSeemaEducation.com.